So everybody in this room here is a direct descendant of this family here. You well? Macaulay Clan Gathering 2016. Oh yeah! Right, Marion, you got your pipe. Marion's going to play the pipe later. Crazy nails. Crazy nails.
And I wish everyone to raise a cheer for Don Ban and Morana. Thank you.
Who are these cuties here?
Callum. Well, I know one of the cuties. Oh my word.
One of them cuties is me.
This is my father, so this is Dolan. So it's Dolan, Dolban, this is his father here, and then his mother Morana here, and the rest of the family from Mullaghmore, brought up in the crops in Mullaghmore. My father was born in 1912, and then you've got, so John was next, John came after my father, so John would probably be, I don't know, maybe 1913, 1914. The girls at the front there, that'll be Katie probably, I think that'll be Katie, Morrigan, Mary Ann. Then you'll have probably Ian at the back, the oldest. I would guess that's Callum, that'll be your grandfather there, Callum. And then you've got, you know, John, who's the, you know, father of Ian Mulloch and Doogie Mulloch, Donald Mulloch and so on. So that's the family group.
If Freddie and Donald John and Ian and all these folk were alive just now, how do you think they'd feel seeing so many of the clan coming together?
I think they'd thoroughly enjoy themselves. Yeah, be very proud of it.
Yeah. My husband would be thrilled to know that we were meeting up.
Well done again, Douglas.
We'll hunt you down.
Cheers. Well done again, Alf. That was super.
Thank you.
Yeah, it's really good. Macaulay Clan Gathering 2016 done. Gaelic for today is Ceolach. Ceolach. Family. Ceolach. Fíjate. Ceolach.